Welcome back to the KK Autos. Today we're diving into something that pushes the boundaries of what we usually call a car review. This isn't just a car, it's a rolling home, an electric-powered motorhome from BYD that sets a new benchmark for what future travel and adventure can look like. The BYD Motorhome 2026 is more than just transportation. It's a complete lifestyle vehicle designed for people who want freedom, comfort, and sustainability on the road. Let's break it down in detail and see if this is the future of road trips. At first glance, the exterior makes an immediate statement. Unlike traditional bulky motorhomes, the BYD Motorhome 2026 has a sleek, futuristic design with smooth, aerodynamic lines that improve efficiency while still looking bold and modern. The front fascia is unmistakably BYD, featuring sharp LED headlights and a distinctive light bar running across the front. It looks premium but not overly flashy, striking the right balance between utility and elegance. The sides are sculpted with flush door handles, clean paneling, and expansive windows to bring in natural light. The large panoramic windshield not only improves driver visibility but also gives the entire vehicle a commanding presence on the road. BYD has even integrated solar panels seamlessly into the roofline, adding to its green credentials while helping keep the batteries topped up. Around the back, the design continues with sleek taillights, a wide hatch for storage, and easy access to utilities. Overall, this motorhome feels like a mix of cutting-edge automotive design and functional architecture. Step inside, and the interior is where the BYD Motorhome 2026 truly shines. It feels less like stepping into a vehicle and more like walking into a high-end studio apartment. BYD has prioritized space, comfort, and smart functionality. The cabin features a modern lounge layout with modular furniture that can be reconfigured, depending on whether you're driving, dining, working, or resting. High-quality sustainable materials are used throughout: soft touch fabrics, responsibly sourced wood trim, and ambient LED lighting that adjusts with your mood. The driver's cockpit is futuristic, with a massive digital display that stretches across the dashboard, giving you all essential driving data, navigation, and infotainment in a seamless way. The steering wheel and controls are minimalist, while the vehicle integrates BYD's latest voice-activated assistant for hands-free operation. In the living area, you get a convertible sofa set that turns into a bed, a fold-out dining table, and plenty of cleverly hidden storage compartments. The kitchenette is compact but very functional, offering an induction cooktop, a sink, a fridge, and even a microwave. The bathroom is surprisingly spacious for a motorhome of this size, featuring a standing shower, eco-friendly toilet, and efficient water recycling system. And thanks to BYD's clever use of space, you still get plenty of headroom and an open, airy feeling throughout. Tech integration inside is another standout. The BYD Motorhome 2026 comes with smart home-style connectivity, meaning you can control lighting, climate, and appliances via the central touchscreen or even your smartphone. It's equipped with Wi-Fi, multiple charging points, and renewable energy integration so you can work remotely or stay connected anywhere. Sound insulation is excellent, making long journeys quiet and relaxing. Now let's talk about performance, which is where BYD really proves that a motorhome doesn't need to compromise just because it's large. Under the floor sits BYD's latest blade battery technology, giving this motorhome an impressive all-electric range of around 400 miles on a full charge. That's significantly higher than most electric RVs currently available. The dual-motor all-wheel drive system delivers strong performance for its size, with instant torque making highway merges and inclines smooth and effortless. Despite being a big vehicle, the BYD Motorhome 2026 feels surprisingly easy to maneuver thanks to rear-wheel steering and advanced driver assistance systems. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping, automatic parking, and a 360-degree camera system all come standard, making it one of the safest and easiest motorhomes to drive. Ride quality is exceptional too. The suspension is designed to absorb bumps, and uneven terrain, so whether you're on the highway or venturing off to a campsite, you get a smooth, comfortable ride. Noise levels are minimal, and with the electric drivetrain, you get a whisper-quiet cabin experience. Charging options are versatile. It supports fast charging that can take you from 20 to 80% in under an hour at compatible stations. And those integrated solar panels provide supplemental energy for extended off-grid adventures. Now, for pricing. The BYD Motorhome 2026 doesn't come cheap, but considering what you're getting, it's competitively priced in the premium electric RV space. Early estimates put the starting price at around $160,000, with fully loaded versions climbing closer to $200,000. While that's a significant investment, you need to consider the long-term savings on fuel, the low maintenance costs of an EV, and the sheer amount of features packed into this vehicle. For eco-conscious travelers who value comfort and cutting-edge technology, it's a compelling option that could easily replace the need for hotels on long journeys. So, is the BYD Motorhome 2026 worth it? If you're someone who dreams of traveling the world without leaving behind the comforts of home and you want to do it sustainably, then this vehicle is an absolute game changer. It combines futuristic design,